Another day, another episode here at Winstone. Today we're going to be speaking with one of our lecturers who is going to be giving us a practical example of how to keep your room, your bed and your surrounding up to par. Let's see if he can speak to us today. Hi Mr. Vijay Singha, how's it going?
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. So can you tell us a bit about why housekeeping is unique and different and why it's useful for everyday life for just about anyone?
Yeah, housekeeping is Nikita, not only the hotel housekeeping. Housekeeping is everywhere. Where you work, where you sleep, where you eat.
Yes.
The housekeeping is to keep that place, the particular place, neat, clean and tidy. That is we normally call housekeeping. In a house, even housewife can maintain house similar to even hotel guest room. There's nothing different. It's very easy. Only thing for them to have the awareness.
Yeah. Okay, so that's very interesting. Since we have all what we need here, can you show us how it's done, sir?
Yeah, actually this is the bed that we have made it for, we'll say the customer. This is the bed we made for customer. But here we have a few items which we can't afford in a
home.
In a home. But we don't need this kind of item like this. This is we call duvet. Bit expensive. At home you don't need it. We can have two bed sheets. Instead of duvet, we can use another bed sheet to make it easy. And here, this is we call decorated pillow, if not throw pillow. Very simple, easy, not more than 300 rupees. If you ask cost, not more than 300 rupees. Altogether, maximum 600 rupees. The cushion and the cover. Can buy. Pillow, the pillow cover, Nita, it's very simple. You don't need to purchase similar to hotel product. We have a product in the local market, you can buy it. I will just show you, even if you want to show me how we insert the pillow. It's simple. Each and everyone can make it this. You just take the pillow cover. This is we call pillow case and pillow cover. You take the pillow. Simple. This is not magic actually. You can cover this. Simply you hold it from here
and place it there.
Very simple. As I told you, this is we call duvet. We just fold into two. And also this is we call bed runner.
Okay.
It's simple, Nikita. This is not costly. Easily you can buy from the market. The bed looks really nice. If you have this kind of a runner. The colors, of course, you can whatever the colors you can. If you can combine with the throw pillows, it's better. If not, the throw pillow is dark color. This one can be light color. Okay, you just place it. I mean, if you make this bed for your relatives, the visitors, they feel like they are at hotel without paying anything. I mean, always make sure if you want to provide a visitor or relative, you have to provide the best which you can give.
Okay, so now let's see how the window cleaning is done, Mr. Vijay Singha.
Yes, for that we need two dusters. In a hotel, we call dusters for this. At home, any cloth you can use it. Why we need two dusters? If you are doing the window from inside, you have to cover the surfaces because of the chemical surfaces can damage. So one duster, why we need to cover surface. The other one, of course, you can give. The chemical called glass cleaner. Easily you can buy, no cost at all, very low prices from the market. You can buy this. You can mix with the water.
Okay.
This is we call glass cleaner, the chemical. Then we have to have a glass squeegee, if not glass cutter. Again, not much cost, 1500 rupees.
Okay.
Then you have to have any kind of sponge. What we do is, the first you need to spray the glass cleaner onto the window glass. Simply you just brush it. If there's any dirt or finger mark, just remove it. And again. Then you have another extra duster with you. We have a 3 method of cleaning the glass. Yeah, this is one is in this way. If you want to cut your glass, you can use it this way. And always make sure you need to wipe your wiper. This is one. The other one is, if you want, you can clean the glass in this way. This is the second method. Okay. The third method is simple. The third one is
okay.
Anyone can do it.
Yeah.
So once you finish, you just wipe this.
Alright, Mr. Vijay Singh, for the last bit, can you show us a bit of a very simple room or a bed decor that we can do at home?
Yeah, this is the decor which we have done for a honeymoon.
Yeah.
Simply we have taken 3 towels, the bath towel, and the simple natural coconut leaves we have taken to mention the happy honeymoon. So I will show you how to arrange a heart kind of a thing from the towel. This is simple. I just remove this. This is the towel actually.
Yeah, okay.
The bath towel. Right? You just roll it. Simple. Easily. Everyone can do this. For their house, we'll say now. This is nothing. I mean, this packet we got it from the market. 300 rupees. Okay. Simple. You just keep this towel here.
Make it into a shape of a heart.
Shape of a heart. Can you just keep the way that I have done it?
Yeah.
It's easy. Any woman can do it. If you want, you can use the natural petals as well.
Yeah.
You don't need to spend much money, see?
Yeah.
That's what these things can be done. Only thing the housewife, they feel like we have to spend more. We don't know how to do it. I mean, we need more training. And no, you don't need more training.
That's actually not the case.
Exactly.
All right, Mr. Vijay Singh, thank you so much for sparing your time for us today and being here and showing us so many unique and different practical skills. And yeah, we hope you have a good one.
Of course, yes. I am also very happy to speak to you. And I just want to show the world, especially in Sri Lankan teenagers, the young blood. Yeah. That's what we are always trying our best to get them here. If they come here, they can train everything. Yeah. The relevant to housekeeping, not only that. What we want is a multi-talented younger generation, because we are lacking on that. The people scared to, because they don't know what is happening in the hotel industry, because we have lots of opportunities in hotel industry, not in Sri Lanka, even the abroad as well. So what we want is, please come and join with us. We will train you. We have the capabilities of training, not only housekeeping, the kitchen, entire departments we do. What we want is, if they go out from the country even, they go abroad, make sure they keep the Sri Lankan name on top. The Winstone always trying their best to give the best out of it.
Yeah. Alright guys, so just like we heard Mr. Vijay Singh explain, you can join us here at Winstone and experience all of the facilities while also improving your skills and expertise and becoming a professional in the field. So if you want to be a part of this journey, you can join us here at Winstone. Thank you so much for being here and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.